My name is Marco Guerzoni. I'm the Marketing and Product Development Director at Forza. Today we are introducing the 48-inch professional gas range. This is the only 48-inch range with the single cavity oven in the world. It's also the widest in the industry. We saw the trend of this big single cavity in other parts of the world, so the idea starts from there and we bring it to the US. Typically, you can find a 30-inch and an 80-inch cavity in a 48-inch range. So what we want with our product is to maximize the space of this dimension. So that's why we present a single cavity that is 40-inch itself. So inside this big single cavity, you can literally fit whatever you want. You can fit a small pig, lamb, chickens, 2 turkeys for the holiday, 120 cookies at once. You can go from 0 to 400 degrees in 8 minutes. The MassimoBlu Hyper Double Broiler is 46% larger than the other one. Using the MaxRotisserie, let you have a fantastic results in terms of a crispy cover and a tender and juicy meat inside of your food. So that's absolutely amazing. Our 48, of course, is in stainless steel, but not only. We present also in other 6 color options: orange, yellow, red, white, blue, and black. In this 48 model, we literally maximize also the impact of our concept of being a radical Italian design brand. So in that dimension, we give the best balance to our sculpted edge aesthetic. So you can see our massive handle, our big knobs, but not just that. It's more about the feeling of having a dynamic range in front of you.